welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be making, actually we're not going to be making anything. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be reviewing 411 slimes. I have seen 411 slimes everywhere. I love all of her slimes. She is taking a little bit of a break right now, but I still definitely recommend giving her a follow on Instagram. She is one of my favorite slimes ever. Her slime is so cool. I don't know what she uses. She uses like cool like foam blocks. I don't know what they are, but they're so cool to me. I don't know why. Also, before we get into this video, I'd like to put out a few disclaimers. First, this slime is my roasted confetti marshmallow slime. I'm just playing with because I would be showing you the box, but it's way too big and it would look bad right now, so that's why. Also, this lighting is terrible. I'm very, very sorry about the lighting. My other light broke, and my new light is coming in today, but I just couldn't wait to open the package. So, yeah. And don't forget to buy some slime from my shop. Leave a dislike or a like. And don't forget to comment some video suggestions and some slime shops I should also review. Also, don't forget to send me some mail in my P.O. box, like some fan mail, maybe some letters, or slime if you would like me to review you. But, yeah, let's get on with the slime video. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about this. My camera can't zoom out anymore, but it looks like she wraps her slime in this paper. This one is called, I think it's called Blueberry Pancake Batter. Here's the next one. It's called Choco Chunk. This one I'm so excited for because I've been seeing this everywhere. I love it. So she has a slime care sheet, and she includes a little bit of borax, and she seals her slimes on the side to protect them. So yeah, let's get on with the slime. The first one that we're going to do is Choco Chunk. This looks so amazing. It looks like it has real chocolate chunks in it. I think that's so cool. I love her account because I don't know what she uses for the chocolate chunks, but I think they're so cool. But yeah, I'm going to be back to you once I get this seal off. So yeah, this is Choco Chunk. I got the seal off. I don't know why, but I actually love these containers so much. I don't know. I see these new containers with a bunch of different people have different containers, and I love them. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, I haven't even touched it, and it already smells so amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm literally quaking. This is so thick. There's no jiggle whatsoever. So thick. Oh. Okay, so these are the Choco Chunks. OMG. This is my life. No, I quit. I quit. I quit again. Bye. Bye. I quit. I love the slime so much. I have to quit. Gotta quit. Just kidding, guys. I'm back. I just love the slime so much that I had to leave because it was so nice. It needed its own space. I'm so weird, guys, but I really don't care. OMG, this smells so amazing, just like chocolate. This is so thick and so glossy, so clicky. It is so amazing. It's really thick. As thick as the parakeet slime cereal milk. And some of you say that I've never had the parakeet slime cereal milk, but look here. It's right here. See? So a little cameo for parakeet slimes, but yeah. But back to this slime, it's so thick, so glossy, so clicky. The choco chunks give it such a nice crunch, and it holds a lot of bubbles, and the scent is heavenly, like so amazing. I had to quit. This is going straight into my favorites box as soon as I finish up with this. So, my full review for Choco Chunk from 411.Slimes is Destiny, you have outdone yourself with this one. It's so nice, so thick, so glossy, so clicky, super stretchy too, and the Choco Chunks just give it such a nice texture. It's also very glossy, and the scent is so realistic, like, it smells exactly like a chocolate bar. So, I definitely recommend you buy this slime from 411.Slimes. I'm pretty sure Destiny has some left in stock right now, so I definitely recommend you go snatch this up. But let's get on to the next slime. So this slime is called Blueberry Pancake Slime, and I've already taken off the seal. Oh my gosh, this looks just as amazing as Choco Chunk, maybe even better. These are the things that I'm talking about. Like these little things, these squares. I don't know what they are. If someone knows what they are, please tell me what they are in the comments. This is so nice. It smells just like blueberry muffins. I don't know, blueberry pancakes probably. It smells like blueberries. That's all I can say. Like, I am shocked. This is so clicky, so glossy, super thick. A little bit less thick than Choco Chunk, but that is okay because it's still really thick. It has nice blue beads and these foam squares, which I don't know what they're called, but I'm obsessed with all her videos with the foam squares in them. But yeah, this is one of the glossiest slimes ever. And one of the clickiest slimes ever. This is also going into my favorites box as soon as I finish this video. And it holds a lot of bubbles, and the smell is just like heavenly. I don't even know. It also has like blue glitters in it, and I don't know what the glitters are called. I call them like line glitters, but I know that is obviously not the name. That's what I call them. You can probably see them, but they're tiny little blue glitters, and they look really nice in the slime. So my full review on this slime is a 10 out of 10. It is a super thick, super glossy, super clicky, and stretchy slime with some foam squares, is what I'm going to call them, and some blue foam beads, and a little bit of blue glitter, and it smells just like blueberry muffins, and I am in love. My full review on 411.Slimes is a 10 out of 10. They have super amazing slimes. They're super thick and glossy and have super amazing textures, and they don't even come sticky in the mail. She does not include any extras except for borax, but I do not mind. All her slimes are scented also. So thank you guys for watching this video at the Slime Lab. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, or a subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment doing some video suggestions and other slime shops I should review. So again, also don't forget to buy some slime shop from my buy some slime from my slime shop, and don't forget to send me stuff in my P.O. box, which is in the description. So thank you again for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, a comment on some video suggestions, other slime shops I review, and don't forget to watch my next video. Bye guys. Hope to see you again.